Hello. If there is ever one day when my 1 hour self imposed timeline should be valid, it's today because I am just completely cooked. But a commitment is a commitment, and I decided that I was going to complete these challenges every day. Even although I'm getting out of town on Friday, I haven't figured out the logistics yet, but we're gonna get there. Yeah, today is day 4 of the Advent of Cyber from Try Hack Me, and we will be doing some atomic red team. I am not sure what it is, so you saw day 4 notes already. I haven't started the VPN. Let me do that right now. 1, 2, 3, and we can start with the challenge. I just like naming this, and then CD to AOC, and that will be the daily. We're gonna make a dir, create a directory. That will be day 4. Day 4. Okay, CD there. Let me just start the VPN. Should be fine. Yes, good. We are rolling. CD, AOC, we want the dailies, and we want day 4. Yes, cool. Now we can start. What is all this about? Sagmas is approaching, and the town of Wareville started preparation for the grand event. Okay. Got a hunch that this year's celebrations will be different. With looming threats, he decided to revamp the town security defenses. Glitch began to fortify the town security defense quietly. He started by implementing a protective firewall. Okay. Let me, while I do that, also make sure that, so what we're gonna need today, we need to start a VM. There's a split stream available, and we can SSH. Cool. Let's start the machine as well so we don't get stuck when needed. Uh, why are you starting the attacker? I don't want the attacker. Why are you starting the attacker? Does it has to be attacker? Oh, whatever. Let's not get lost. So, where were we here? We were here. Unaware. Okay, showing admin access. Okay, wait. He started implementing. Okay, that's where we left. Unaware of glitch, goods intention, the SOC spotted anomalies logs showing admin access, escalation of privilege, patched system behaving differently, and security tools triggering alerts. The SOC team misinterpreted the system modification as a sign of an insider threat or rogue attacker. Let me just, okay, I think this is visible, right? It should be visible. The zoom is cool. The SOC team misinterpreted. Okay. Learning objective. Learn how to identify malicious techniques using the MITRE. I don't know how to say that word. Attack framework. Learn about how to use atomic red team test to conduct attack simulations, and understand how to create alerting and detection rules from the attack test. Okay. We started loading. Great. Click on the green machine below and wait 1 to 2 minutes. That's fine. We started. If virtual machine is invisible, use the blue show split screen at the top of the page. Which page? Which one? Okay, so we have credentials here. Are we RDPing? Okay. I like RDP. RDP is cool. I'm still mad at my copy from Kali to my main host. So, what are we doing here? What was it again? Atomic Red Team, I think. Atomic Red Team. Let's start bash just because I like seeing stuff like that. Password emulation, IP. Okay, so if we're gonna do RDP, on Kali Linux is X free RDP. That would be, okay, let me write it here just so that I don't get lost. So it's X free RDP and, okay, X free RDP. That would be slash U. What's what? Okay, that's mystery. I got lost. I got lost there for a minute. Okay, slash P, that would be for the password. And because I'm putting on clear text, something that I learned recently is I have to escape the um the character. If not, it's just not gonna work. Slash V is for the machine, which is our IP right there. And I like also adding a size just because eh, those are things that I've learned work for me, right? Instead of having maybe a full screen or whatnot. But don't quote me on that. I could be wrong. I'll be that. Let's see. Yes. Let me in. Yeah, cool. Yeah. So you have to escape any special character, any character that has a special meaning in the when you're entering the X3 RDP, when you're RDPing to the machine, yeah, you have to escape it. So yeah, we fine. I'm gonna name you as Darjet. Darjet, we are fine. Cool. I don't care about you. Yeah, that's fine. So the Atomic VM has a red team and Sysmon system. Was that system? Sysmon is system monitoring, if I'm not mistaken, to emulate an attack using tactics, techniques, and what does the P stand for? I forgot. Tactic procedure. Yes, describing the MITRE attack framework. Detection gap. While it might be utopian, dream of every blue teamer will rarely be able to detect every attack or steps in an attack kill chain. This is a reality that all blue teamers face. Yes, there's a gap in detection, but worry not, this gap do not have to be the size of black holes. There are different things we can do to help make these gaps smaller. Detection gaps are usually for one or two main reasons. Security is a cat and mouse game. As we detect more, the threat actors and red teamers will find new sneaky ways to thwart our detection. Yep, we don't need to study the novel techniques and update our signature and alerts rule to detect these new techniques, okay? The line between anomalous and expected behavior is often very fine and sometimes has significant overlap. For example, let's say we are a company based in the US. We expect to see almost all our login coming from IP addresses in the US. One day we get a login from an IP in the EU, which will be an anomaly. However, it could also be our CEO traveling for business. This is an example where normal and malicious behavior intertwine, making it hard to create accurate detection rules that will not have too much noise. Okay, blah blah blah, cyber attack and kill chain. Okay, before diving into creating, we have all cyber attack follow a fairly standard process. Yep. Recon, compromise, establish foothold, escalate, internal recon, move laterally, maintain presence, mission complete. In the move laterally, we could also have we could also escalate privilege at this point here, but that's beyond the point. As a blue teamer, it will be a dream to prevent all attack at the start of the kill chain. So even just when the threat actors start reconnaissance, we already stop them dead in the tracks. But as discussed before, this is not possible. The goal then shifts slightly. If we are unable to fully detect and prevent a threat actor at one phase in the kill chain, the goal becomes to perform detections across the entire kill chain in such a way that even if there's detection gap in a single phase, the gap is covered in later phase. Okay. The goal is therefore to ensure that we can detect the threat actor before the very last phase of goal execution. MITRE attack. Okay. Framework, just open it, read it. It just tells you how attackers get into system and what kind of tactics and techniques they use. There is so detailed, it's so deep. When I first came across this thing, I had no idea what it was. I felt overwhelmed. But As you start moving through your career, you will come across, you realize that, yeah, there's some stuff that are just, there's no way around it. So you have to learn. It doesn't mean that I know much about it. I know of it. I don't necessarily, I'll go there if I'm investigating some stuff, but yeah, but take the time, open the framework, and just, yeah, just familiarize yourself with it if you can. What are we doing here? The framework is a collection of techniques, and procedure that have been seen to be implemented by real actors. Okay? Okay. Yes. However, the framework primarily discusses this TTP in a theoretical manner. Even if we know we have a gap for specific, we don't really know how to test the gap or close it down. This is where atomics comes in. Okay, atomic red. Atomic red is a collection of red team test cases that are mapped to the MITRE attack framework. The library consists of simple test cases that can be executed by any blue team to test for detection gaps and close them down. Okay, the library also supports automation where the techniques can be automatically executed. However, it is also possible to execute them manually, which I assume we'll be doing, and which is also my favorite way of doing stuff. Dropping the atomic. Maskedy has a vague idea of what happened to the compromised machine. It seems someone tried to use the atomic red team to emulate an attack on one of our system without permission. The perpetrator also did not clean up the test artifacts. Let's have a look at what happened. Okay. Use the MITRE. Okay, spread phishing. I think this is what CEO, when you're sending instead of regular phishing, this is either targeted or the CEO. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, why am I reading this again? Let me get away from that. Okay, that the attacker, okay, with an attachment. Let's recreate the attack emulation performed by the supposed attacker and then look for the artifacts created. Open a PowerShell prompt as admin and follow along. Let's start by having a quick peek. So we are invoking, let me copy this. We're going to copy that. I just want them all down. Commands to run. We want that. Okay, so wait, don't let me get lost. Where are we? Where is my machine? Okay, we want PowerShell as elevated. Cool. Let's run it. Can I make it bigger? I don't know. If I can't make it bigger, that's going to be a problem. Oh, maximize. Nope, that's not what I want. How do people do zoom here? Control C. Okay. How do I Control C? Was it here? Size. Yes. Is it size? How do I do that? Okay. I don't know if it's too small. I apologize. Properties. I'm not gonna spend time here. Just yo. Can I do 24? Okay. Yes. Cool. Awesome. So we're gonna clear this, and I think my command works here if I just copy. Yes. Name. What am I supposed to see? Get help, invoke. Okay. Oh, this is to get help. Yeah, this is just to get help on the command. Okay, invoke. Syntax, it gives us the syntax, what kind of option it takes, aliases, none, remarks. Okay, we're fine. So we get that, we should get the output, we did that. To help the both show parameters without any explanation. Even though most parameters are self-explanatory. Let us have a quick overview of these parameters we will use in this walkthrough, okay? Parameter atomic techniques. This is the one we want to emulate, and I'm assuming if we wanted to spare phishing, that's what we use. Show details brief. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Test name. Okay. Okay. Our first command. We can build our first command now that we know. We would like to know more about what exactly happened when the test technique, when we test the technique. Okay, to get this information, we must include the name of the technique we want information about and then add the flag. So, then let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna copy that. Yep, I'm still mad at a copy as I can't use my, I hate not being able to use the keyboard. That's fine. Okay, show details. So let's go back here. Where's my machine? Right there. I'm gonna clear this. I just like a clear terminal. Right there. Okay. Oh, so run the test for us. All right, that's fine. Begin test. Atomic phishing, spare phishing, test name, download macro. Okay, this is what it is. We're just gonna copy that because I like copying until I know exactly what I'm doing with it. Atomic description. Okay. A macro enabled document from the Atomic Red Team GitHub repository simulating an end user clicking a phishing link to download the file. The file, phishing attachment, and phishing are downloaded to the temp directory. Okay. Am I supposed to go to the temp now to find them? I don't know. We are going to see. I think it's this. Does it work? Yeah, cool. Attack command, execute a PowerShell, elevation required false command. So we go URL, localhost, invoke web request. We save it for URL one and we save it under temp phishing. Okay. And then we also call invoke web request is like curl. So we curling, it's a Windows curl. And then we send it to, and also it's not just a Windows curl, it's also an alias for curl on Windows. I learned that recently. Cleanup commands. So we are removing type ignore and then end test. Okay. Begin test. Blah blah blah. Phishing, test name, word spend, a command shell, and use IP address in the command line. Atomic test number 2. Okay. Oh, this was test 1. Okay, this is test 2. PowerShell command. What did we do here? Net service point, security protocol, TLS. Okay, we went to the GitHub, Red Canary, Atomic Red Team. We got that. We got a shell invoke malware doc, I'm assuming. Use basic parsing. Open, what is this? For output as in one, right? Okay. I'm still learning PowerShell, but I can have an idea of what's going on. And then we're gonna ping. Okay. Command with input, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Same thing. Clean up command, we clean it. So we're running the stuff and then we're cleaning. We run, we clean, we run, we clean. Dependency, Microsoft Word must be installed. Check prerequisite command, try, new object, Microsoft product.application and pipe it to out null. Is it like a /dev/null for Linux? I don't know. Process, if process equal Word, process equal Windows Word, I'm assuming. Stop process, name process. Okay. Okay. I think I got an idea of everything you will need to install. If it's not there, then you need to install it. Okay. All right. So we got this, we got that, we got that. I think that's what we were looking at. We were looking at all of that. The output above is clearly split in multiple parts, each matching a test. Let's examine what kind of information is provided. We'll use the test we want to run. Okay, which machine am I terminating? I don't know which one I'm terminating. So this is going to be fun. If it's my main machine, then I'll have to just start it again. That's fine. But I need to see, I need a full terminal. The above is clearly split into multiple parts. Let's examine. Okay. 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 Yep. Yep. An overview of the command. There's no dependency. Okay. Let's continue and run the first test of before running the emulation. We should ensure that we have all required resources to conduct. To verify this, we can add the flag. Okay. Test number 1. So we want to copy that. Copy. I don't want to retype it. Where were we here? We need you. And paste it there. Uh-oh. Where did you go? Where did you go? Right there. Okay. For download my code, prerequisite met. Okay, so we met the prerequisite. All right. Let me just copy this. As I said, I like copying. Uh-oh. Okay. The term path is not recognized as the name of a command. What did I do? Is it me? Check the spelling. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure what happened there. Was it still running? That's why I like clearing my terminal so I can see everything happening. What did I do? Okay. At line 1, atomic red, blah, blah, blah. Command not found. Check prerequisite. Okay, what is going on here? Am I supposed to press anything? This command will use data included dependency, part of the test. Looking at test 1, no additional resources are required. Run the same command for thingy 2. Let's do, don't I have it already? Okay, let me just copy this. We need you, copy you, paste you there. And I need to test it for 2. I don't know what happened there. I have no idea what happened. What happened to my terminal? I'm going to control C you. Did you stop working? Okay. All right. I got clear. Let me paste this. Are we working? What the heck? Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought I pressed something. So if you don't want to copy, that's fine. I got options. Not met. Word. Spawn. Okay. Microsoft install must be installed. Let me just copy this because and I can. So we got this. Let me control C. So the one was fine. This one was fine. And this other one had issues. Okay. We know that. Try installing with the get prerequisite switch. Okay. Now that we have verified, execute the following command to start the emulation. Okay. Okay. Are we supposed to do anything? Copy this. Are we supposed to do anything? Okay. I'm not supposed to do anything with that. So, okay. Start emulation. Start emulation. Right there. What is... I'm gonna clear you just because. Okay. Executing. It did done executing. We are fine. So it means that, am I supposed to find it somewhere? Okay. All right. We did that. Now we start sysmon. We'll clear the sysmon event log. Open up by clicking on icon and searching for it in the task menu. Okay, we do that, and so I'm assuming I'm searching for you here. Is it you actually? Okay. How the heck do I search for stuff again? Ah, no. Okay, search right there. Thank you. So Sysmon. No? Hey, where am I supposed to search for this? Or searching for event viewer. It tells you how familiar I am with Windows system. Absolutely not. I'm learning. I'm getting slowly comfy, but I'm not as comfy as I could be on a Linux machine. Okay, event viewer. Okay, navigate to application services. And I don't want to copy this because I don't want to come back to you all the time. And then right click operational. No. Then what's that? Clear log and then clear. Okay. Let's see if my instructions are good enough. So we open this and we go to, I'm making the screen smaller, which is not good. We want to be able to see. So probably I need to make you smaller, maybe like this, so I can have both of you and see both of you. So applications, wait, is it application and services? Yep. And then choose Microsoft. And then, okay, why don't Microsoft Windows? Yes. And, oh, shoot. Sysmon. Okay, I'm assuming you are alphabetical, so you should be somewhere here. Sys, uh-oh. Sysmon and, okay, operational. Okay. Right click. Okay. No, wait. What did I miss here? On the left. Okay. Right click. Okay, I don't have a clear logs here. I don't see a clear logs. Operational. What happened if I double click? Anything? Nope. We don't want that. Sysmon. Right click. Can I open? What happens if I, oh shoot. Clear logs. Okay, right there. Clear logs, clear. Cool. We did that. Now that we have cleaned the file, let's run the emulation again by issuing the command invoke. Is it the same command? Invoke T150001 test number 1. Okay, let's do that. So we go here. Go down. And we do this again. Cool. That was executed. I'm assuming we're supposed to see that somewhere now. Blah, blah, blah. Next, go to the event, right click on the operational log on the left side of the screen, and then click refresh. There should be new events. Okay, so right here, go back to operational and click on refresh. Yes, cool. There should be new events related to the emulated attack. Now sort the table on the date and time column to order the events chronologically, older first. The first two events on the list are test that atomic executes for every. We are interested in two events that details the attack. Okay. So Sort the table, date and time right there. So is it like this? Wait, what did I say? um on to order the event. Old oldest first. Okay, oldest first. What is the oldest? How would I know which one is the oldest? Oldest first. Yes. Okay, this is a 3, 5, 12, 3. Okay, that's the oldest. All right. The first two events of the list are tests that Atomic executes for every emulation. First, a process was created, the following PowerShell. Okay, then a file was created in the name. Okay, let's confirm those. Let's confirm what they're saying there. So we take this, blah blah blah, image version, the first two. I'm assuming that these are the first two. So then if these are the first two, does it mean that this is the one that we're interested in? Yeah, I see it there. Okay, let me make sure. Yeah, this, as I said, the first two, who am I, display logger information. So I assume who am I is always the command that we run first when we access a system. Okay, PowerShell execute, that's what we have here. Okay, invoke web request, we got that, we got that. Okay, user atomic administrator. All right, what is the second one? What is this one? Windows, PowerShell. I'm assuming that there's only one event that we care about. What? Okay. This is, what are you doing? CSC. What is that? Is this even us? Was this launched by us? I don't, yes, I see the invoke web request again. Okay, never mind. I should stop talking and just follow the prompt. Okay, so we got that. We got that. Yeah, we saw that. We saw that. We saw that. Process ID. We saw that. Navigate to the. Okay, so we gotta go here. We are going to this guy and open the phishing. So we need you, copy, and open. Open that guy. The flag. Make sure to answer the question now, as a cleanup command would delete this file. Oh my gosh. If it deletes, we just have to recreate, right? Isn't it? So I gotta go here. I'm gonna type. So type C. Type is a cat for app data, local temp, and we want phishing. Yes. So type is the cat for Windows. Leave me alone. So he said, answer that first. We are gonna do that. Oh yeah, I'm still I'm still angry. I am still angry with my coffee. We did that. Okay. Now that we know which artifacts were created, we can use them to create custom alerting rules. In the next section, we will explore this topic further. Alerting on Atomic. In the previous, we found multiple indicators of compromise to the Sysmon event log. We can use this information to create detection rules to include into our what is ED detection? Oh Jesus, EDR. Yes, acronym phobia. Seems ah yeah, it's running out of my mind. IDS, intrusion detection systems for sure. EDR is just running away. Security, incident, and event management for SIEM. Yeah, don't quote me on that. These tools offer functionality that allow us to import custom detection rule. There are several detection rule formats, including Yara, Sigma, Snort, and more. Let's look at how to implement the artifact. Okay, two events contain possible indicator. Let's focus on the event that, yes, we are doing this one. This is the one we want. Let's paste it there. We can use multiple parts of the artifact to create a Sigma rule. Invoke web request is not common for this command to run from a script behind the scene. URL attack. Do I have that URL? Yes. Often use specific malicious domain to host their payload, including the malicious URL on the Sigma. Okay. Phishing. This is a malicious payload. Download it and save to our system. We can include its name in a Sigma rule as well. Combining blah blah blah. So we have that. Do we have to copy this? This is bar. We can clearly. Okay, we can import the rule into the main tools. Okay, now that Glitch has shown his intention, let us continue his work and run an emulation for ransomware. Okay, we continue to prepare for SOCMAX 4. It decided to conduct a simulation that will mimic a ransomware across the environment. He's unsure of the correct detection metrics to implement for this test and asks for your help. Your task is to identify the correct atomic test to run. Okay. Okay, copy. Let me see here. What is my task? I need to see that clearly so I can understand what's going on. Identify the correct atomic test to run that will take advantage of a command and scripting interpreter. Conduct the test and extract valuable artifact that will be used. Okay. What AT&T? Okay, so I just need to go and do this. Copy this. Go ask, dear Lord, Google, paste, and Google MITRE attack framework. Is it this guy? Okay, most of the stuff that I see say T010. Okay, let's see if that will be the guy. ID says this guy here. Copy that. If that's the correct one, we can move forward. Yes, okay. What technique ID, what AT&T sub techniques ID focuses on the Windows shell, Windows command shell. Okay. Sub techniques. Okay. All right, just give me a minute. I think, is there an easier way to do this? What happens if I just search? What happens if I press Control F and look for Windows? Is it you? Okay. What was my technique again? T0. Okay, I'm assuming it's this guy. Yep. So just search for Windows, copy, and paste it there. Yes, cool. What's the name of the atomic test? What? What? How am I gonna know that? How am I supposed to know that? Uh, okay. How do I do this again? Let me find. Do I have atomic here? Nope, no atomic. So it means I have to Google. What's the name of the atomic test? Okay. Who are you? Why do I have you open? Okay. Okay. Oh, when I was looking for the guy. All right, cool. That's fine. Adversary sub technique, Windows command shell. Okay. Where do you go? If I click on you, can I click on you? No. All right, that's fine. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna Google paste here. Atomic red team. Haha. Google is your friend. Just Google. Command and scripting interpreter. Window. Wait. What am I doing? What happened? Wait. So I remember that when we were doing the first thing first, we did this. So what was it? Yeah, I think if I put it here. No, not you. If I invoke this command with my T0 something something, so if I copy this and where were you? Where were you? Where were you? Come back. Yeah, right there. So if I do this, so show details right there, atomic test right there, paste it, we should be fine. Let's go ask PowerShell what it knows about it. Just clear the terminal, paste it, go. Yes. Uh-oh. 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 What happened? Okay. Create and execute batch script. Okay, what's the question? What's the name? Okay, create and execute. I think that's the name. Yes. So we got you here. We copy you, paste it there. Hopefully. No? Huh. What do you mean? That's not the guy? Uh, atomic test name. Yeah, that's okay. Create and execute a batch. What did I write? What did I put in here? Okay. All right. Let me look at this thing. Create. No, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With one word being 5 letters. Okay. Let's see this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's not that. So what are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's not that one, right? No. Okay. I have no idea what are they asking me here. What is the name of the atomic test to be simulated? Yeah, I don't see. Okay, is there anything else here that I'm supposed to know? How many tests are even here? Oh, okay. What is the name to be simulated? So we got that. What's the attack? Okay. What's the attack subtechnique? Okay, we got that. Atomic test to be simulated. Okay. Where were we? We read it here somewhere. There's not you. There's not you. There's not you. Oh, yeah. Maybe you. Because we are talking about fishing and spare fishing and whatnot. Maybe it's you. Peace. Yes. Okay. So we're doing that. I had to read the description. That's what I was missing. All right. Cool. What is the name of the file used in the text? The name of the file. Where would you be? You would be here. I think so. So I just have to find you. Print bombing. Where are you? Yeah, right here. So Wareville, ransomware. Okay. Description. This attempt to open a file, specify a number of times, then prints a count. It's designed to mimic black byte, where the 3, which contain is open. Okay. I can read the blog, but I don't want to do that right now. Command that C for I and okay, max to print, WordPad, blah, 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 blah. Do start word part. Okay. And then is it you? I'm assuming it's you. Yes, I am assuming is you. Let's verify that. Is it you here? Paste. Yes, cool. What is the flag found from this atomic test? So now we have to run it. What was the syntax again to run the thing? Invoke atomic test. So we want, okay, where did I write that command? Okay, so we want this one. So what was that test for, right? So we want invoke atomic test, and then we want test numbers. That will be 4. I think so. Let me just go back here and confirm. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's test number 4. Cool. So we're gonna clear this. Do I want to clear it? Yeah, that's fine. Um, oh shoot, I don't remember what the file will be created. Ha 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 ha. Oh, save. Why am okay, file name? Am I supposed to provide the file? Oh, I should have read. I should have freaking read the thing. I should have read. I did not read. I thought I understood what the heck was happening, but I did not read. Okay, now where did you save again? I have no idea where you went. I'll have to really go. Oh, right there. No, nothing. Is it still working? Oh shoot. Okay, let me get out. I have to go back. Since it's done, it's complete. I have to go back and reread what the heck that test does. So test 4. Test 4. Okay, we got that. This attack attempts to open a file specified a number of times in WordPad, then prints its contents. It's designed to mimic Black Byte, where tree which contain the ransom node is opened 75 times and then printed. Am I supposed to read this? I should probably just read. Execute a PowerShell for command dash C. What does that C stands for again? For one, in 1 max to print, do start WordPad dash P file to print. Okay, so PC tools atomic red team. It looks like I'm supposed to be. Okay, let me go here. Okay, are you done? Do I have anything in here? I don't understand this. This is way too complicated. Not complicated, but I have to sit down to read, and I'm 47 minutes in. I'm tired. It has been a long day, and I think I finally found my way to the side quest, but I can't celebrate that yet until I actually crack the password. So C tools, atomic red team, atomics, T003. I don't have that. T059. Okay, T059. T059. Don't go too far. 003. Okay. Nope. 003. And source. And right there. Do I have anything? Yes. Yes. Copy. Why was I supposed to give a file then? Yes. Oh, shoot. Done. Cool. Okay. Thank you for following or not following. Thank you for watching me just ramble. I'm really happy. Keep it under 1 hour. This is feeling good. And yeah, that was it for day 4. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.